In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a watermark to a photo using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, adding a watermark is a crucial step to protect your creative work. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, let's open Canva and start by adding some text. On the left-hand side of your Canva dashboard, you'll notice the text option. Click on it to access various text tools that Canva provides. This is where we're going to initiate our watermark creation. Once you click on the text option, you'll see an Add a Text Box button. Go ahead and click that to start a new text layer on your design. This step is essential as it gives us a blank slate to type your watermark text. Now that you have your text box, it's time to enter your desired watermark text. It could be your name, your brand, or even a simple copyright symbol. Whatever you choose, type it into the text box. Feel free to adjust the size of the text box to suit your needs by clicking and dragging its corners. This flexibility allows you to make sure your watermark stands out appropriately on your photo without overwhelming the image. The next step is all about creating the perfect transparency for your watermark. For that, look for the transparency icon on the toolbar above your design area. This icon usually looks like a checkerboard or two, overlapping squares. Clicking on this icon will allow you to adjust how see-through your watermark is, which is crucial. It should be visible enough to protect your work, but not so bold that it distracts from the image itself. Adjust the transparency slider to a level that you're happy with. A good rule of thumb is to lower the transparency until your watermark is noticeable but still subtle. Remember, each photo might require a different transparency setting depending on its colors and lighting, so feel free to experiment until you find what works best for your image. And there you have it. Your watermark is now a part of your photo design. This not only protects your work but also gives a professional touch to your images. Remember, you can always go back and tweak your design, and Canva makes it incredibly easy to adjust text size, font, and transparency even after you've initially placed your watermark. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create and add a watermark to a photo in Canva. With these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to safeguarding your digital creations with ease. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.